Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Geek. Xiaomi has launched a new air purifier which is the Mi Air Purifier 3 in India, and today in this video we will do the unboxing and show you the features of this device. So here is the box. In the front of the box we have the picture of the product, and here at the bottom we have some details such as OLED display, it has better clean air delivery rate and offers 360 degrees filtration. And here at this side of the box we have the product details and the MRP, which is Rs 12,999, but it's available on Mi website for Rs 10,000. So let's open the box and see the content now. So here on the top we get the user guide, and it has the instructions on how to set up this air purifier. And then here we have the device itself. There is nothing else in the box, so let's look at the air purifier closely. Mi Air Purifier 3 looks very similar to the Air Purifier 2S, but there are a lot of changes in terms of design and functionality. So talking about the design first, we have the same design where it sucks in the air from the grill, which are here at the bottom. The clean air delivery rate, or as we know it, CADR, is much better here in this air purifier, and it also offers larger effective area. In terms of overview, we have the OLED screen here in the front, and you also have this capacitive touch button in the front. On the top you have the 360 degrees air outlet grill, and it's full square as compared to the round corners in the previous versions. And also the fan or the filtration system inside is changed here. The previous version had the eddy fan, and this one comes with the advanced centrifugal fan, which results in more power. Even though with all these changes, the working noise is also slightly decreased and it's also quieter. At the back we have the filter chamber, and inside it you will get the power cable and this all new HEPA class 13 filter. This is a 3-layer filter which eliminates 99.7% smoke, household dust and other fine particles up to 0.3 microns in size. There is also a carbon filter layer which removes odor and other toxic substances from the air. Now let's turn it on and show you the features. So when you plug it in, you will see the Mi logo, and also it shows you the remaining filter, and then you will see the current PM level. After that, it will start working. There are different modes such as auto, low, medium, high, and also a favorite mode, which you can choose by just tapping on the front button. And apart from that, there is also a sleep mode. In the front OLED display, you can also see the current temperature, humidity, and there is also a Wi-Fi connection symbol. You can also pair this air purifier with your Mi Home app and control it via the app. Adding it to the app is very simple. Just open it and it will auto-detect the nearby device. Now you just need to enter the Wi-Fi password, and that's it. And now you can control this air purifier from your phone. I already have a Mi Air Purifier which is working in a different room, and as you can see the PM level is very low. But this one is showing very high, and due to that in auto mode the fan is working in full speed. Now talking about the app more, in the app you can see the current PM level, and here you have the option to switch between different modes. You can turn on the front light and also schedule the working time of this device. You can control and see the stats of your device from anywhere using this app. So overall the app design and features are actually very good and very simple to use as well. So guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the Mi Air Purifier 3. And looking at the current situation in New Delhi and other parts of India, air purifier is a must-have gadget in your home, especially if you have the elder people or kids in the family. I'm using the Mi first generation air purifier for quite a long, and till now I'm very much satisfied with it. The maintenance is also low, and for this air purifier, you can get the filter for as low as Rs 1699. But for the 3-layer carbon filter, which you get inside the box, you would need to spend Rs 2200. But don't worry, as you would need to change the filter in between 6 to 12 months depending upon your usage. With this air purifier, I noticed significant change in PM level in just 1 hour of usage. It's much quieter and also looks good. And if you're looking for an air purifier with all the features and good design and build quality, then you should definitely check out the Mi Air Purifier 3. So that's all for now in this video. Hope you like it, and also if you have any question about this product, then do let us know in the comment section below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.